Morning.
My name is Kyazze, and I'm a counseling psychologist. I want to appreciate Pastor Kyazze. I had him also on Parliament, and I was like, okay, this is an area that I'm also looking at in our area as Muslims, because at least for the Christians, they're out there and there's a lot of education, and they have the Fathers Union, the Mothers Union, so they always have that help. But when you come to our area, it is really, really green. So one thing that I wanted to submit, that there is an area, like I mentioned, I'm a counseling psychologist, seeing pastors coming in to apply for the counseling courses would be really great, because counseling itself is a profession. So if our pastors go into wholly into the counseling profession, then the counselors will not have work to do. Yet when you go in it and become like you study it, for example, now I hold a master's, and these 2 years I feel overwhelmed by all the things that I've learned, and I am yearning to learn more, and knowing that as a health practitioner, listening to just 4 clients is just enough in a day, and I need to seek therapy for myself. So imagine what a pastor, what a shade goes through. So if we know that if I am I'm a doctor, okay, if I receive someone, maybe they have a health issue, I need to refer them to a doctor. Even as a religious leader, we need to equip them with the basic skills. And when they know that actually this person needs to see a counselor, because that's the first level of mental health. The religious leaders, then the counselors come in to guide you on how one will reach the clinical psychologist, because psychiatrists are not so. Yes. So I'm really happy with that area, and I don't know how I will lead into it, because also there is the stigma of whereby the women are not supposed to address the men, and the men are the ones. And when you reach the counseling room, really it will be hard. Like I'm looking at the class. As we have been for the 2 years I've been at Micheal University, there's always been like maybe 1 student as a male in the class, and counseling is not really like a very big class. You will find that clinical psychologist class like maybe having 20 students or 30 students, but for counseling having maybe 5 or 10, and then there is 1 guy. So if it is only 1 man, and then when you look into the Muslim area, you will find that there's 1 or 2 whereby so I call upon, I don't know how I'll be helped by the religious leaders, even the Christian, because I'm very open-minded, on how I'll penetrate into the Muslim shades so that they can be the voice that I have to reach out to the